Do you like hockey, playing outside on the ice, or even going inside and playing on a tabletop? Well, how does that puck slide around the ice so effortlessly? Let's try and make our own version of Hovercraft and see. So, how do we get our hovercraft to work on our table, our surface? The answer is a scientific idea called friction. This is all around you. So if there is more friction, things just stick together a little bit more. So think about it like when you're walking outside. If you have rubber shoes and you're walking on gravel, lots of friction, things stick together and you don't slip. However, if you go ahead and notice that you've got that patch of ice, we've all done it, you slip, you fall, very little friction, right? So we're trying to reduce the amount of friction using air. So the way that you can make this at home and play around with the friction is just by getting yourself an old CD, a DVD, something that somebody might be getting rid of. Then you're going to upcycle a spool of thread. So you want the thread off of it, and then you're going to glue with the help of a responsible adult. You want hot glue. You're going to glue it on the CD. And you've created the base of a hovercraft. And all you have to do is use your lungs and blow. How about you try this at home? You can create a game, play with your siblings or with your neighbors. Maybe check out other different kinds of surfaces. We used a smooth surface. Will it work so well on a rough surface, your carpet? Go ahead and experiment and just have fun while you're playing with your hovercraft.